What's going on, everybody? Today is the day that us here in Kosrae Totoko. Hey, as you can see, get all these people right now throwing shots at me right now. It looks like it's a good day here, and you know why? They're getting the 45%. That's a big step for us here in Kosrae. Congratulations to all the government employees. You are going to contribute to the economy, you know, and just in time for summertime, for the longest time. Okay, just wanted to say Fa'afe Tailava, Maalo Lele, and Pula Finaka. Life is getting better here. Okay, if you're listening to this, you wanna come back home, 45% is on. Let's go. Mahalo. Thank you for your service.